So one of the things as a person's using these little ice shelters that you're going to find out you need at some point in time to have ice anchors. These are the Clam version, the clamoutdoors.com ice anchors. And of course you can run these in by hand. That is a possibility. You'd be better off getting yourself something like this. This is the Clam. This is their ice anchor installation tool. Now what's kind of cool about it is you can see there's a little groove right here, and you can put that groove, that basically this will sit, let me just get you kind of set up here. This will sit like this. This will kind of catch on the T, and this little groove will go on the shaft, and that way it kind of pinches and holds in there. So that way I can just hold my drill and and everything will be in line and everything will be secure. So it will then start itself with this kind of self-tapping point. Having the installation tool is almost a must. Yes, you can do it, and yes, you can do it with a variety of different tools, but you're not going to do it very well, and you'll probably kill yourself and die. This way, you're not going to die. The ice anchor installation tool could be a lifesaver for you. I'm just going to go out and say it. It could be a lifesaver. We'll put a link in the description below, but clamoutdoors.com, you can find this and all the different shelters that you could use this. I would suggest you buy one of these and tell your special someone that they need to get you the ice house to go with your ice anchors. We're at the Ice Institute 2019.